What's up? It's your boy OTS Matt back with another video. Hey look, today's video is about answering some questions about the M550. I've been getting a lot of questions about this car. We're about to just jump right into it. First question, why I haven't been posting for so long on YouTube. I hit a deer a while back around like April 1st, around like 12 o'clock. I was on my way to the airport to pick up my mom. I'll probably throw some clips in there from when I hit the deer, you feel me? I'm driving, coming up the block, and a deer ran across the street, and I hit the deer, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boys. I hit the deer, and I couldn't slow down. I was on a whole brake, couldn't stop. I wish my dash cam was up. My dash cam is down because I just got my windshield tinted, and I didn't put my dash cam back up because I didn't have a sticker to put my dash cam back up. So yeah, this is the car, bro. The car is cooked. I mean, we're not cooked. It's definitely fixable. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know these insurance companies, they be quick to total the car, like quick as fuck. And my car is not that bad. So we just need a fender, because y'all, as y'all can see, my fender is like a little bent right here, because I hit the, I don't know how the fuck I hit the deer right here too, but I hit him right here too. As y'all boys can see, yeah, right there. And the hood, headlight, grill, and this shit, whatever this shit is called. I don't know what the fuck is that shit called, but whatever that shit is called. And probably need a radiator. I'm gonna need a new thingy for my intake. My other intake is good. And I think that's about it. I didn't open the hood yet to see what got damaged on the inside, but I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure nothing got damaged on the inside. Pretty sure. But yeah, I'm waiting for the cops to pull up right now. They should be here anytime soon and shit like that. But oh yeah, let me show y'all the deer. This is the deer right here. The deer is dead. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm glad he's dead though. I don't know if y'all boys could tell, my fender is gloss black and the bumper is gloss black too, shit like that. The rest of my car is matte black, you feel me? But yeah, she was in the shop for a while, bro. I just got the car back probably like a week or two ago, you feel me? Just want to keep you boys updated on that and shit like that. But hey, look, we back outside, man. We finna be dropping hella content. Content is coming soon on the M550, you feel me? Y'all boys know I got an exhaust. As soon as I get the exhaust, I didn't really get to enjoy my exhaust and shit like that. Took the car to New York, came back home, I hit it there and shit like that. But look, we got more clips coming soon. Y'all boys stay tuned for that, you feel me? Anyways, right now I'm running no hood on the car, as y'all boys can see, you feel me? No hood. Why? Because I got a hood on the way coming for the car. Should be here soon. I picked the car up without no hood. She looking pretty good though, I'm not gonna lie. She look good as fuck. That ass, like the M550 look good as fuck, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all boys and shit like that. But yeah. Alright, so next question on the list is what intake I'm running. What the fuck car is that? Shut the fuck up. As y'all boys can see, I got the front mount intake on my M550. You feel me? She's it right here. That's the filter. I don't know if y'all boys can see it. Yeah. I'm running ARMS Motorsports front mount intake on my M550. It really sounds crazy, I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I might throw a little clip in there so you boys can hear what it sounds like. Alright, so next question on the list is what tune am I running on the M550? I'm running Bolt Mod 3 on my M550 stage 2 tune, and also I'm running XHP transmission tune on my M550, which is also stage 3. Next question, I get this question a lot. Next question is, how is the maintenance on the M550? I'm not gonna lie to y'all boys, to be honest, I only had this car for like about a year. The only thing I've done to this car is just oil change. That's it. That's the only maintenance I've done so far. Only had the car for a year. I haven't did anything yet, but I have a lot of maintenance coming up soon for this car. Right now I need to change the brakes, a lot of shit. That's gonna be a whole lot of video because that's coming real soon. I already started ordering parts for those, for the maintenance, so that's gonna be a whole different video, you feel me, and shit like that. Next question, where did I get my exhaust? I get my exhaust from Alibaba. I get that a lot. Where do I get my exhaust? What exhaust am I running on the M550? The exhaust I'm running on the M550 it's an X pipe with a Valvetronic muffler. I'm about to show y'all the tips right now. Yeah, this is the exhaust. I got carbon fiber tips on the exhaust, as y'all boys could tell. For me, shit like that. Yeah. Question about the exhaust I get a lot is how much I pay for my exhaust. I ain't gonna lie, the exhaust system in this car from Alibaba was around like $800, but the shipping fee and shit like that is like $400 so I think I paid around like $1,300 for the exhaust system in this car. I ain't gonna lie, this exhaust is really tough. It sounds insane. It sounds crazy. All right, next question I get a lot too about this car is, since I'm tuned, have I changed the spark plug and the coils in the car? Yes, I definitely did. But since we already here, I'm just gonna tell you boys about it. When I got my car tuned, I was running the tune on my car for about probably like 2-3 months with the stock spark plugs. As soon as you get a dump pipe and a tune in this car, you have to change the spark plugs and the coils, because they will go bad like real quick, you feel me, and shit like that. That was one of the main issues I had with this car since I got it. Where did I get my spark plugs from? I got them from Tuner Motorsports. I got the iPerformance ignition service kit, you feel me. You could go in there, you could put your car in, or you could just call them, talk to them, and they will give you what you need for your car, you feel me. I'm running NGK spark plugs on my car, and as y'all boys can see, those are the coils I got from Tuner Motorsports. Yeah, another question about this car too is what downpipe I'm running on the M550. I'm running the VRSF downpipe, I think that's what it's called. They're pretty good. I think it's the best downpipe out there, to be honest. That's what I think. The gas smell, you don't really smell it like that, to be honest, especially in this car, because this cab is like really closed up. So you don't really smell nothing from inside the car once the windows is up. But like when you stop or you parked in like a parking garage or some shit, you'll probably smell a little bit. It's not gonna be that strong and shit like that, but you will probably definitely smell a little bit. W downpipes though, I ain't gonna cap. Shit is really tough. Car sounds crazy and shit like that. I hope I covered all the questions that y'all have been asking about the M550. If you boys have any more questions, make sure your boys comment down below or hit me up on Instagram or TikTok. Always active on Instagram. Post a lot of videos and clips on Instagram. So make sure y'all boys go follow me over there. Also, if y'all boys new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications, man. Hit that like button and shit like that. I'm gonna try to do a late night POV video for y'all. When my hood come, that's gonna be a whole nother video and shit like that. Word. I'll see y'all boys in the next video. Peace out. Scoop. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around of the car for me inside the car. This is how she's sitting right now. My front tire is a little bit low. Looks like I got low profile. Don't like that. I'm gonna have to get some air in that shit really soon. Yeah, it's a little walk around of the car and shit like that. She's still looking good though. I'm not gonna lie to y'all boys. She still look good. She sound good. Really great. Sound great.